That's Daddy's face? Want me to draw another one?
Just that one.
Okay, here we go. I'll draw another one.
That's not.
What is it?
That's Daddy's.
What do you want me to draw?
Another one.
Whose face? Whose face should I draw?
It's not working.
It's not.
I did it.
Where's Bubba?
What's this?
What is it?
Bubba's sleeping.
Yeah? Okay, what's on your shirt?
Kawaii.
Oh, you think so?
That's this.
A princess, right.
Yeah.